Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on our new Revue Wine Pins, the newest product from Wine Cellar Innovations. These pins require very little preparation work beforehand. All you need to do is drill a 3/8 hole into any drywall, and you're ready to install. Now, let's go over the parts of our pin. First, we of course have our hardware. Then, the pin. And the only tool required, a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by inserting the hardware into the pin, and then tightening it with your Phillips head screwdriver. Keep tightening it until you start to feel a little bit of resistance, and then stop. Make sure there's enough room for the wings to fold down. Next, simply insert the wing into your 3/8 hole, and apply tension by pulling backwards. As you screw in, you should feel it get closer and closer to the drywall until it's nice and snug. Repeat the process for the other side, and you'll be displaying your wine bottles with your brand new wine pins, courtesy of Wine Cellar Innovations. Thanks for watching.